Yeah, YouTube. I was about to go to the junkyard, but this shit happened. It's raining. Fuck that. But I ain't gonna stop nothing. I'm finna just go pick up some tools I need. I think I'm gonna need a new grinder with some wire brush. Gonna pick that up right fast. Yeah, that's it, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. I just picked up this Drill Master cup of these right here. I'm gonna need it for the cause I'm about to do the frame work on the square body, and it's gonna come in handy. Yeah, come in handy for the little rust spots up on there. To get it down to the metal. It's gonna do the job. Got the air compressor, but the air compressor sometimes don't give me a lot of pressure, so let's pick this up right here. Came with little pieces. Alright, YouTube.